Welcome to today's episode, where we'll dive into the hottest interior design trends of 2025. Whether you're redecorating your home, building a new space, or simply seeking inspiration for your dream house, this video is your go-to guide. We'll be exploring cutting-edge concepts, materials, colors, and furniture styles that are taking the interior design world by storm. So if you want your home to feel like a work of art that blends comfort with luxury, stay tuned. Let's get started with what's shaping the future of interiors. As we look ahead to 2025, one thing that's clear is the growing focus on sustainability. Eco-friendly design isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle shift. Homes are increasingly being designed to minimize environmental impact, and this is visible in every element from the materials we use to the energy efficiency of our spaces. Recycled and reclaimed materials are having their moment. Think beautifully restored wood, repurposed metals, and even sustainable concrete. The idea is to give new life to old materials while reducing the need for virgin resources. You'll also notice an emphasis on locally sourced materials, which help reduce the carbon footprint and bring a sense of locality into homes. Energy-efficient lighting systems, solar panels integrated into designs, and smart home systems that conserve energy are also playing a big role. Homeowners want their spaces to be kind to the planet, and this demand is being met by innovative, eco-conscious solutions. Sustainable furniture is also becoming mainstream. Expect to see a lot of bamboo, cork, and rattan in 2025. All materials that are renewable, durable, and stylish. Moving on, while minimalist designs have reigned supreme in past years, 2025 is witnessing the resurgence of maximalism, but with a modern twist. Bold colors, rich textures, and eclectic patterns are making a comeback, but it's all about layering them carefully to avoid overwhelming the space. Picture jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, and ruby red paired with gold accents and sumptuous velvet fabrics. Maximalism is all about expressing personality and creating a space that feels lived in and unique. It invites you to embrace bold patterns, mix and match styles, and infuse spaces with art, sculptures, and statement pieces. In the living room, for instance, you might see a dramatic combination of ornate vintage furniture with modern lighting fixtures. It's all about curating your environment, mixing the old and new, the refined and quirky, in a way that feels harmonious yet exciting. Technology continues to reshape how we live, and in 2025, smart home technology will be fully integrated into interior design. It's not just about adding smart devices anymore, it's about how they blend seamlessly into the aesthetic of a home. Imagine kitchen countertops that can charge your devices wirelessly, or living rooms where lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems are controlled with a simple voice command. Home automation systems are being designed to work with the flow of a space rather than stand out as gadgets. This means hidden wiring, sleek controls, and tech features that don't interrupt the decor but enhance it. For example, lighting systems will adjust automatically based on natural light levels in the room, creating the perfect ambience without you lifting a finger. Or picture window shades that rise and lower depending on the time of day. The idea is to make homes smarter and more intuitive, providing convenience while keeping a clean, polished aesthetic. Biophilic design, or incorporating elements of nature into indoor spaces, is a huge trend in 2025. People are seeking tranquility and a connection to the outdoors, especially in urban environments. This design trend is all about introducing greenery, natural light, and organic materials into your home to create a sense of calm and well-being. Indoor plants are being used not just as decor, but as essential parts of a room's design. We're seeing entire walls dedicated to vertical gardens, strategically placed greenery to create a natural focal point, and even plant partitions that separate spaces. In addition, large floor-to-ceiling windows are becoming a must, allowing natural light to flood homes and offering stunning views of the outdoors. Natural materials like wood, stone, and clay are also taking center stage. The textures and warmth they bring create a perfect balance of organic comfort and modern style. In 2025, homes are becoming green havens, making nature an integral part of everyday living. Interestingly, while maximalism is making a big statement in living rooms and bedrooms, kitchens are taking a more minimalist route in 2025. The hottest kitchens are sleek and uncluttered, with clean lines, integrated appliances, and handleless cabinets. Hidden storage is key, allowing countertops to stay free of clutter, and the focus is on high-end materials like marble, quartz, and stainless steel. Color schemes in kitchens are shifting towards cool neutrals like soft greys, whites, and blacks, creating a serene, almost futuristic vibe. But don't be fooled by the simplicity. It's a minimalist look with a lot of functionality hidden beneath the surface. On the other hand, bathrooms are becoming more adventurous. Bold tiles, striking lighting fixtures, and statement sinks are transforming bathrooms into spaces that are not just functional, but luxurious. Think freestanding tubs with intricate tilework or vanity areas with ambient lighting that feels more like a spa than a bathroom. Lastly, let's talk about one of the most practical trends of 2025 multifunctional spaces. With the rise of remote work and flexible living arrangements, the need for versatile spaces is greater than ever. In 2025, interior design is focusing on how rooms can serve multiple purposes without sacrificing style. We're seeing living rooms that double as home offices, bedrooms with workout areas, and even kitchens with built-in study nooks for kids. Furniture that can be easily transformed, like foldable desks, modular sofas, and retractable beds, is becoming increasingly popular. The key is to create spaces that are adaptable and can change with your needs, making the most out of every square foot of your home. That wraps up our look inside the hottest home interior designs of 2025. From sustainable materials and smart technology to bold maximalism and serene biophilic design, the trends for the coming year are all about creating spaces that reflect your personality, provide comfort, and meet the demands of modern living. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more interior design tips, trends, and inspiration. And as always, feel free to leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time as we continue to explore the world of design and home innovation.